Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Malin Havefjell, and in today's video I'm going to talk about something that you actually can find in shorts videos that I have, but they are in Swedish. So now I'm going to do a longer one, a longer version in English for you. And that is about how to calculate the VAT and on what amount I should calculate the VAT. Because there are different ways of calculating this. We say that you run a company and you are selling this service or product to your customer. And she pays you 500 Swedish kronor to receive this product or service. This isn't actually the amount that you receive as an income, because we have something that will happen in between here that's called the VAT, the value added tax. And in Sweden, the value added tax can be 25%, 12%, or 6%. 25% is the main rule. So if you are uncertain, then you can what to add, you can always add 25%, and then you will be on the safe side. 12%, that is if you sell like food that people can eat, things that you can put in your mouth. 6%, that is transportation. So if you're driving a cab, for example, then you will add 6%. Or if you're an artist, maybe you are performance artist, then you might add 6%, or you might add this 25%, or none VAT at all. So that can be a little bit tricky. And if you are unsure, okay, I have all these kind of things that I sell as a musician, on what should I add what VAT, then you can book a meeting with me, and you do that the easiest way on my website www.havefjall.se, and then we can look at all your different things that you are selling to see what VAT rate to add. But that is the most usual way, is that you just have one VAT rate to keep track of. And the VAT we are calculating on the exclusive amount of VAT, saying your income. But if we are selling things to private individuals, people who are not a company, then it's more common that we speak of the amount that they actually will pay, the amount that they need to bring out of their pocket and give to you. And that is the amount inclusive the VAT. But if we calculate on the amount that they have paid you, the VAT rate that we should add, then it will be incorrect. So we need to know what percentage to calculate on the inclusive VAT, and that will be like a backwards calculating VAT. So for 25%, the backward VAT will be 20%. And for 12%, it will be 10.71%. And for 6%, we will calculate with 5.66% instead. So if we now use this system instead, we look at, okay, we have received 500. It was supposed to be 25% on our VAT on the things that we have sold. Then we go here and look and see, okay, we need to calculate 20%. So we take our calculator and click on that one, and we will see that our customer needs to pay this tax on the service or product that we have sold, 100 Swedish kronor. Meaning that our income will be 400. Now we can do the calculation again to double check. If we take 400 times 25%, then we will actually end up with 500. Even if we did the calculation here. And on our receipt, we will write the 25%. So let's say we sold something, we sold food, we have run a restaurant, we sold food with 12%. So we take 500 and now we multiply that with 10.71%, and we see that our client, our customer, should pay 53.55 Swedish kronor, meaning that our income on this 500 will be 446.45 Swedish kronor. If we take this times 12, we will end up with 500. We say that you have sold a book. We say you are a writer, so you have sold a book, and on that it's 6% VAT. They have paid you 500. We take that times 5.66, and we see that the VAT that our customer needs to pay is 28.30 Swedish kronor, and your income for that book will be 471.70. So this is just a way for us to be able to calculate the correct VAT when we do that on the inclusive VAT rate. On our receipt, we will write the correct VAT, and in our bookkeeping, we will book this as an income. So in the bookkeeping, we will report this on our bank account, and we will report this as an income. We will report this amount in our bookkeeping as an output VAT. So this is the amount that we now need that we owe the tax agency, calculated on these tax rates. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also write in the comment if there is any other things that you want me to talk about in future videos. And if you have any questions, you can always book a meeting with me, and you do that on my online calendar, www.havefjall.se. And if we will not see each other in one of those meetings, I hope to see you in my next video here on my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.